Today I'm replacing the cabin filter on a 2014 Audi TT. Under the passenger side footwell, if you get under here, you can see a little foam cover way in the back. There's just two little finger fasteners that you just unscrew with your hand like this, and you can grab this piece of foam right out of here. So with that out of the way, you look up here and you see the cover for the filter. That just needs to be slid from where the center console is towards the outside of the car. Then it drops down. Just slides a ½ inch. With that down, you can grab the filter and just pull it down out of there. Here's the old filter. Take the new one, and you want to install it this way with the taper towards the outside of the car. I would install it right now, but first I'm going to just vacuum up this little mess. You know, that's common. There's always debris that falls out of the filter housing. But clean that up, stick the new filter in, slide it back, and then put it back in the same way. Very simple job. You can do it on the floor, no tools. So that's it. Thank you.